Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto. I am your host Martin, and this episode we are gonna be talking about, well, the Bitcoin rally continue. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto TA, make sure you hit that like, that bell, and that sub. That way you're gonna be notified every time we go live. What else am I supposed to tell you guys here? Yeah, if you enjoy the content, again, do those things. Links are in the Discord in case you want to keep on chatting with us. They're already gone out. They're in here on the top of the chat. So on that note, let's get rolling. And look real quick at the chat. Who's in the house? Jeff, what's up? Sekmar, hi. Andrew, what's up, dude? Jasmine, sure. And other Andrew also. What's up? And Trampus, what's up, dude? Thank you guys for joining me tonight. Of course, also remember, hit them likes. Let's get rolling and let's look at the main screen and see what's happening there. All right, so what is happening here, guys? Market cap, right, on the daily. Bearish divergence, potential for action downside. We did move down yesterday, that's fine. We did wick very, very low, recovering strong. That's bullish for me, at least I interpret it as being bullish. We didn't close in the green, but at least we pushed higher. That means we're rejecting lower prices. Right now, we're still in the green, but not by a lot. 0.61% of the upside yesterday, or we could say today for the actual day. October the 12th went down 1.23%. Already market tomorrow, like I said, going up a bit, but nothing too crazy, right? Nothing too crazy. So could we still get more action downside? We still can, right? We still have not gotten proper pullback. We've still not gotten a proper retrace. Right now here, we could start to consolidate this level. So nothing too crazy happening from yesterday to today. Let's go and check out the Bitcoin rise. Bitcoin at 56,280. Yo, let's check it, man. Let's see what's happening here. We pulled back down, went all the way down to 54,000. Sorry, $54,230 mark, right? Held support, pushed higher, closed above 55,406. So not bad. We are right now sitting at $56,281. Bearish divergence there, potential for action downside, move down again, holding support, bouncing. Nothing bad, nothing bullish happening right now. Last time we had strong bearish, still waiting for a consolidation or pullback around this level. So we can still pull back down to this level again, or we can still consolidate above that 55,000. So we touched the targets that we talked about yesterday, even 2 days ago. So not doing bad here on this, right? So let's see what else. I forgot to bring this shot up. Yeah, there we go. And now let's go and check the 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin on the 4 hours, strong bearish divergence with that potential fraction downside. We did move down, broke below 20 right now, holding support on this last 4 hour candle, breaking above and holding 55,406, which is very good right now, trying to break above that 20. Do we have any kind of divergence? I'm going to check for hidden bullish, and the answer is going to be very close. 230.25, 233, slightly more negative momentum here. I was thinking this here in the 4 hour. I noticed there's something here. I forgot to anchor back on the 1 hour, which is right here. It's hidden behind the line, but I can see it. I spy a little eye, a yellow line that looks like this. That means that this is a counter for this, and that should be on the 1 hour as well. And then that move I drew for that divergence to happen is from here. Hidden bullish. Potential fraction to upside, maybe sideways motion. That's what we're holding on to this level here, right? So holding on, trying to get to that 20. We already hit it. That would have been our target. We'll primarily try to break above 55,406. We already did that. Holding on to 20. We're trying to break above that 20. So next target, try to get above the previous closing here. And that closing would be at $57,503. If we do manage to get there, very good chance of Bitcoin going to that $59,267 markup here. Rejection or failing to get higher than this area. Consolidation on this level, even a movement down. Back to retest 55,406 or even 54,230. That's what I'm looking at right now. Neutral at 54.79. With that, let's go and check out the 1 hour chart. All right, on the 1 hour chart, remember Bitcoin, upsloping channel, trying to break it, strong bearish divergence develop. Move this down, try to break again. Guess what? Failed. We got sideways motion happening here. Look, the top here and the top here are very, very close. We can just said we're moving sideways. The closing, what was it here? 57,503, 57,501. It's a $2 difference on a $57,000 move. It's nothing. We're just gonna say it's sideways motion with that potential fraction downside because we're getting bearish divergence medium to develop, right? So high, positive to negative, and high to low. And with that, we did move down, and not bad here in the moves. Going slightly lower, creating hidden bullish, right? At support, even close within the channel, right? Even managed to close within this channel here, which is not bad at all. So that's where we're bouncing, getting above that mid part of the channel. I'm gonna make that channel longer so we can keep on tracking it. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, right, guys? So again, there was some bullish, there's some strong bearish moving us down. Now we have some hidden bullish and trying to make us go slightly higher. We have it here against the MACD. We also have it here against the RSI. Not bad, not a bad move happening. And we are neutral at 48.28. Going up, hit the 20, rejecting, so we're rejecting it once. If on a rejection, we're gonna do, well, we're gonna drop 55,406 to be a fairly good target on a drop. I'm just gonna extend this, still respecting this hit point that we got here and the bounds that we got here, rejection, right? Again, same break, same support, broke it, came back above it, support again, breaking it, right? So very, very nice moves here. Again, holding support on this candle, bouncing, rejecting the 20. So again, and moving down 55,406, breaking below there, channel, right? Support. If we break above the 20, again, we're going to come up to this level of the channel to test it as resistance before we actually break back above. And if we do break back out of that area and get higher than the previous high here, around the 57,000, what was it that we called it at? 7,501. You'll still be looking for more action to upside still. So, on that note, neutral at 48.46. Let's go check out Ethereum. So let's get this. Right. So Ethereum. What's happening with Ethereum? Title of the stream, right? Is Ethereum going to rally? I think that's what the stream should have been called. I think I might have forgotten to change the name here on the stream. I did forget to change the name on the stream. That's weird. I'm usually pretty good at doing that. So I remained with the same name that it had yesterday. So let me update this real quick because the name of the stream is not will the Bitcoin rally continue? That was yesterday. Today we're looking at the Ethereum rally and see if we can gonna get continuation now. So let's update here the titles real quick, and we're gonna keep going. Right, we're gonna check Ethereum in a second, guys. Sorry about this. Need to make sure that this is properly set. There we go. There we are. The title got updated. Awesome. Let's look at what's happening here. Oh. Ethereum bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, starting to move down. All right, so we're holding support. We're moving sideways. We failed to get above and back into $3,539 right now. We're trying to go higher. We're trying to get back into that area earlier on today. We're struggling, right? We're starting to stagnate here. We're starting to consolidate. And as we're trying to consolidate, it's going to get us to break or try to break. At least the consolidation that we're getting, it doesn't look that bad, at least on the daily. It looks as though we could still break to the upside. So not bad here. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 55.61. Let's go to the 4-hour. Here's where things are going to get interesting. So we broke this line. We know we're short-term bearish. We did manage to break back above it with the hidden bullish, but we're back below. So we failed to get higher than the previous high here. So moving back down, even below 3,539, rejecting it once, rejecting it twice. Right now, hitting that 20 rejection. I really hope we get above that 20 moving average. If we do get above that 20 moving average at $3,523, Ethereum could be doing really good here. And with that, we could still be expecting to see maybe more action to the upside. There's nothing bullish happening though. Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and a low point on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 48.04. On that note, like I said, neutral 48.04. Not really doing a lot on the 4-hour, but again, consolidation is not looking as bad right now. At least after whatever this weird impulse up we got, it's starting to look slightly downsloping. Maybe we can even say we're making a very large triangle here. So I'm going to go to this chart where we don't have a lot of data in, and I'm just going to draw what I'm looking at, right? So I'm looking at potentially something like this forming, and the worst case scenario, right? I'll say we're making a very, very large triangle. So symmetrical triangle, we could still be within this pattern of, completion, I would say would be maybe around October 18th. Hopefully we can break before. Most patterns tend to break between 50% and 75% of the pattern, so we can still be getting probably until October 14th if we do want to flag within this area. But I do think we see a break before then. Hopefully the market, gets some volatility flowing into it, some volume coming in. We start to see this pick up. Volume has been kind of dying out. It's been stagnant. Not really liking that. You can see how much volume we had when we were down here compared to how much volume we have when we were up here. So not a lot of volume being traded. Again, not good. We get more volume coming in. Neutral at 48.07. Let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, let's get here, man. All right, so volume picked up here a little bit here on this last portion since 8 in the morning today. We did pick up volume, try to go back up. That's okay. Again, the movement down here, we didn't get a lot of volume on this movement down, so it could have been a fake out or some kind of move. Try to get weak hands out. Let's see, low, higher low, negative, less negative, low to high. Really also nothing bullish developing here. Low, lower low, more negative momentum, lower still on the other side, neutral at 50.84. Yeah, not really looking at a lot here, not seeing a lot, right? That's what you want to see on the way down for Wyckoff accumulation. Yeah, you think we're doing another accumulation pattern? All right, so that means we should still be expecting action to the upside. Again, target right now, 20 moving average. We've hit it and bounced here a couple times, try to push higher away from it. This looks like a twizzler top, at least that simple sight. So we're about the same level. So I could say this is looking very, very close to a twizzler top. And that is usually a reversal pattern. So again, moving down could get us to the 20 moving average at 3,483, bouncing there, maybe dropping even lower. I don't think we're going to be creating anything bullish. Maybe if we come to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, we might be creating some bullish divergence, and with that potential fraction to the upside, but we'll see. We'll see how these things are going to go. Neutral at 50.87. Let's go check out ADA. All right, so before I do that, let's go and check out the chat. Let's see what's happening here. Amay says Rocket. Dude, Amay did chicken and then Turn for War says Rockets. What's up, dude? Steve came in. What's up, Steve? Fasan. BNB, yes. And Jasmine's also on the list already. Scuba Steve. Wasn't that from like Big Daddy or something? Right, so, yeah. Right. chart on Discord 9. All right, awesome. Yeah, put your new ADA chart there. We'll see. Scrog ADA, yeah. Current in Colombia. Yo. What's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here, guys. Again, quickly going through the chat. Let's get back to this. I don't have a lot of time for tonight. I didn't have power for most of the day. That was weird. I think the electric company was working on some stuff, and we didn't have power from like 9-10 in the morning all the way until 5 p.m. So I'm also behind on like my day job stuff. So again, very short stream for today. Dingo, thank you very much for being here. Let's get back to charting, and I think so far I think Binance is going to be closing the coins, right? So 3 more coins and that's gonna be it. Let's get going though. ADA, what's happening there in ADA? Again, very large triangle formation. Again, it's not the best looking triangle, but at least, you know, I'm just giving you the idea of where we could be looking for us to be. Did drop below yesterday, closed within, still below 20. Gonna go for a movement up, probably try to get above that 20 still. Neutral at 43.36 on the RSI. So we're neutral, pointing up slightly. That means, again, we could still be looking for that continuation. Maybe meet that 20 again at $2.19. If we do get above that area, we're going to be trying to aim for this high here around $2.31. And then above that area, we're just going to depend where we meet this upper resistance line. If we do drop on rejection of the 20, again, we're going to have this blue line as support. It's going to depend on when we meet it. And then below there, we're going to have that 786 at $2.03. Not a lot happening here since then. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, nothing bullish, right? We're coming more negative momentum, more negative momentum, lower low. Also here, coming lower. Nothing bullish happening again. Trying to hold, try to consolidate this level before we actually move back up. And we are hitting an area here that I said could be a support, right? I drew the line here, $2.13. It did hold a support here, broke on the next candle. Then we're rejecting that zone almost spot on. So very, very close to being a good area here for us to reject. We're trying to get above it again. If we don't, that movement, that failure to get above that level at $2.13 could get us back down to here. So we're looking at $2.03. If we do get above this zone again, 20 moving average at $2.18, and then above there, could be targeting again that previous 100% high, closing at 2.30. Nothing else happening here. Again, nothing bullish, nothing else bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. No hour, I was hoping that we're going to get some bullish divergence here. And guess what? Even though we came all the way down here, we're still making less of that negative momentum every time. So even here, look, this is 0.007, 0.006. So we just kept on going higher here also, right? Look at that. Strong bullish divergence, kept on building. Finally moved higher. Now we are starting to create some of that hidden bearish, right? Putting pressure on that Ethereum value and that Ethereum price. That is getting us to stagnate, right? That's what we expect to see when we have that hidden divergence. So I'm even going to say that we have some hidden divergence here as well. Right, so yeah, hidden divergence right now, also putting pressure on that price, moving us below that area again, right? So not the strongest move here on ADA, again, breaking below that $2.13 mark to get above that zone. Right now, struggling. Last candle held support there. Right, slightly broke it. Right now, we're rejecting still. Neutral, 48.95. Let's go and check out Jasmine. Is Jasmine pumping still? Did it rally more? Again, new project, 4.8% right now to the upside. On the daily, came down yesterday, right now trying to bounce. Again, not a lot of information here. Volume profile, volume looks okay, not volume profile. Volume looks okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, so it came back down to that 20, to 100%. Trying to bounce from there, not bad. We're not doing anything here also that is bullish, so I would have to say wait. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're looking for this hidden bullish. It held briefly. We kept on moving sideways until we finally broke this zone and broke that 20 and moved down lower. Now, guess what? This hidden divergence that we're looking for here still holds. Guess what? That's what's getting us to rally. Look at that. Boom. Here we go. And then here we go. And here we go, right? So low, lower low. So here in the 1 hour, we could also throw some quick fibs. We can say that this here is a bottom and then this here is a new high. We can see where we went. Very close to that 50% retrace. And guess what? I'm not liking that as the bottom, mainly because we consolidated here. So I'm going to consider this point the lows around here. Maybe it's more recent. And on that note, look, we're getting a perfect hit of that 50%. Some respect for the fibs, not the best respect, but some respect for the fibs. Again, not a lot of history, so not the best fibs we can throw at it. It's just what we have. And I didn't change the fibs because I wanted to make them fit the chart. It just felt weird that we're going here. Like the move from here to here, retrace, and then retrace some more. So I think here could be a good area for us to try to retrace from, or at least draw or retraces from, considering this to be the low, because we kind of plateaued here for a bit instead of using just this large spike there. That's already a little bit farther behind before we start to rally. So from here to here, again, hitting that 50%, bouncing, somewhat okay. Let's go, and that's it for Jasmine, though. I think here we did go into that 15-minute chart real quick. And again, we talked about this area, trying to break back up. That was fine. Move sideways, below 20, rejection, moving down lower, right? Bullish divergence developing here on the move from here to here, right? Low, lower. Negative, less negative, right? So again, strong bullish, starting to get that action to the upside. And we're starting to develop strong bearish as well. Low to high. Oh, that already moved us down, by the way. All right, so we have it, strong bearish divergence section downside, moving down. Nothing bullish developing afterwards. We're just getting a bounce at the 20. We need to get above 8.28 cents if we want this to go higher. Otherwise, still looking for a rejection, maybe go back to that 20 moving average as support. And then if we break it, still looking for a drop all the way over here to around 6.96 cents. That is it here for Jasmine. Let's go and check out Binance. Right, it's pretty good, Andrew. Binance. I'll go back to the chat after this, right? I'm struggling to find my Binance charts. Where did I put them? They're up here, I think. Yeah, that's why. They're way up here. All right, so Binance, $495, $459, all the way around. All right, so what do we have here? We haven't looked at Binance in a while. Hidden divergence, probably there. Strong bullish divergence, strong bullish. So we haven't looked at Binance in a couple days. It went out of our favorites list a while back, right? So strong bullish, action to the upside. All right, so we're in the rally. Now there is some kind of bearish divergence developing here, strong bearish. At least it's starting to develop here. But today it's a day where alts could try to run, right? Ethereum was up quite a bit earlier today, around like almost 2%, and Bitcoin was struggling. So Bitcoin stagnating around where it's at could be good for alts to try to move and do something. Again, strong bearish potential for moving down. We could be dropping, going back for this 382, and that would be around $433.10. Let's go here on the 4-hour chart. Man, nice rally over the last couple of 4-hour candles, right? Starting at 7 in the morning. We have something here. Strong bearish against the RSI. All right, so we're gonna go with that. Strong bearish against the RSI. So with that, potential fraction downside again. It's looking good for us to run. Now this really starts to get me to double think. They're not also gonna be able to run. So also here, all right, look on the point here, slightly lower. So bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to downside. We are bought at 68.97. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? All right, we're also starting to get that strong bearish divergence to develop, right? Upsloping consolidation usually tends to break down. Getting a lot of that upsloping consolidation usually brings exhaustion, and that exhaustion can get us to break back down. But again, Binance behaves a little bit different because it's an exchange coin, and while it's an exchange coin, it basically tells us that people might offload from crypto onto Binance. And that's probably part of the reason that it's rallying, because people are getting out of Bitcoin, getting out of all other things off onto Binance. And that could be the effect that we're seeing here on this rally. But again, upsloping consolidation does tend to break us down. So watch out for moving down. We're bought at 73.98. Right? So let's go back to the chat real quick. And then we'll go back to the corn. And then I'm going to be calling it a stream. Gus up out half your position on those wicks. Ooh, that sucks. I think you want a spring test, you can buy back in with conviction. All right. Then Andrew, CBA Andrew says to trade on ETH or Eon, sorry. and invested from 0.005, trying to add your moon bag. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good that you're adding to your moon bag with positive trades. That's what it's all about. Getting those gains and making sure they're still coming in. And you know, you just keep on rolling with positive gains. You're gonna take a hit sometimes, but that's fine. You just roll with the punches and recover with the other trades. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. If you want to join us here for some reason, ever, tell your friends to join us here, and then they'll have more fun. And if you want to join us on Discord, links have gone out. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Figure out what's happening there. Bitcoin. All right. So 56,272. Again, going back up to that 20, still rejecting, still below that mid part of the channel. Now we want to see us get above that mid part of the channel. We're not getting a lot of action on this 9 p.m. candle, right? We've been here for about almost 40 minutes, and it's just been very small action, right? It's like a lot of indecision. We want to get above that 20. We want to reject it and move back down. Again, not moving down, 55,406. If you do get above that area, 20 moving average, and then above the resistance lines. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the content, guys. If you did, type 1. If you didn't enjoy the content, type 2. On that note, I'll start signing off. Guys, thanks for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Again, you can help us a lot by sharing our tweets, sharing us on social media. You know, you can take probably snips of the video and send them to people and be like, yo, watch this dude, whatever. And that will help us grow. Help us promote us on other areas, like in other Discords that you're at, if you're allowed to, right? You're like, yo, check out this guy, whatever. All that attention to us helps. Like, if you bring attention to the channel, it basically help the channel grow. So remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. It's not financial advice. I say I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, don't trade based on what you see here. This is So Crypto. I'm feeling so good tonight, but there's so much stuff I need to get going to. I'll catch you again, guys, tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then,